Coal gangue is a solid waste discharged in the process of coal mining and coal washing. It is a kind of black and grey rock with lower carbon content and harder than coal that is associated with coal seam in the process of coal formation. Coal gangue ball pressing machine reliable quality can be used in one machine, strong pressure, suitable for large, medium and small enterprises with a certain scale of production line use, suitable for industrial gas, boiler type, cold pressure type focus, etc. After years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, coal gangue pelleting machine has obvious advantages, such as high pelleting rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging.